Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a program that logs keys, and you can't use this program until you enter a password, so it's password protected. So first of all, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make a path to my desktop on Windows, so that's my desktop path. So for this you're going to have to import OS, and then we do the OS here .chdir, so we change path. We change it to that path there, so now we're on my desktop. Now what we're going to do, we're going to password protect this program, so you'll need to install this module here. You can do it through pip, which is password import, so you need to install that through pip before you go on. Okay, so we're going to create here our first function. I'm going to create a variable here called password, and I'm going to assign it to my password here, which is going to be admin123. Then I'm going to create another variable called pw, which is short for password, and assign it to pwinput.pwinput, and in here we're going to type prompt and then enter password. So this is the message that will show up. Also, we're going to use a mask, so when the user types in a password, it'll be masked with asterisks here. So you can mask it with anything, but the industry standard is asterisks, so that's why I put it in there. So we go on to the conditional, the if statement here. So it says if the password is not equal to password. So if what I've typed in there where it says enter password is not equal to that password, then it's going to say password wrong, bye, and we're just simply going to quit the program. Or else, if the password is correct, we're going to go on to a message here. It's going to print out a message to the user, correct password, and then we're going to type in log keys here, which is going to take us down to our next function called log keys. Before we log any keys though, what we're going to do is we're going to create this with open, and we're going to create a text file on the desktop. So the text file I've done here is called keystrokes.txt, and we're going to open it for appending in A, because basically it's going to be taking the keystrokes, so it's going to be appending the file every second or however often you type in there. And then we print this message out to the user, program running, press the escape key to stop recording the keystrokes. So if you press the escape, it'll stop recording. Now we're going down into the loop here, so we're going to start the loop with while true, and this is basically just to listen for key events. So we're going to create a variable called event, and this is where I forgot to tell you, you need to install this module here, keyboard. Now it doesn't come as standard on Python, so you're going to have to install that through pip. Okay, so we're on to keyboard here, and keyboard.read event here. So then we go on to the conditional. If the event type is down, so that means it'll only log the down events on the keyboard. So that's going to be key, get the key name. So here, this is a variable key assigned to event.name, so we get the key name. So when we press it, we get the key name and we store it in that variable. Also, we're on to another if statement here. So if the key is equal to escape, so if we press escape, what we do is we break from the program. That's it, that's the end, we've finished the program. Else if the key is equal to space, so if we press the space bar, we got the file object.write here that is writing to the text file. We put a space there, and then we go on to else if the key is equal to enter. What we do, the file object, which is the file here that we're writing to, we do a new line. Or else, if it's not equal to those, what we do is we write the key that has been pressed. Okay, so what we're going to do now, at the bottom here we type in the enter password to call the program. So we're going to type in here in a minute. Let's just open it. So we've got the enter password. So if I just type in any old thing like that, that's the wrong password. We've exited the program, so I'll have to run it again. Okay, so the proper password is admin123. Hit enter. Okay, it's telling us the program is running now, so I'm just going to type some stuff in. The program is running. Okay, right, so I've typed that in, and I'm just going to hit escape to escape the program. There we go, back there. So let's see if it's created that text file called keystrokes on my desktop. And there it is. There's the text file. So let's have a look inside the text file, and there you go, the program is running. So folks, there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.